Hello everyone, my name is Wilfredo Mosquera Torres, so I live in Turbo, in from Turbo 2. Today I'm going to share with you some answers from Diana Maria Jaramillo. This is the first activity with this course, Intermediate English 2. I'm going to read the question and what was the answers that Diana answered here, okay? First, did you study English in another college or university before enrolling at UNAT? She said, yes, I studied chemistry in UNAT la Universidad Tecnológica de Pereira, and I got successful my degree. Then I started working in a big laboratories, and I felt I wasn't completely happy and fulfill my job. So I decided to start teaching in schools, and I found my vocation. That's why I decided to start this bachelor. The second question is, how long have you been learning English? Why? Since I was a child, basically, I am very implicit way. My family speaks many languages, so I grown up listening English, German, French, and so on. I never go into my school before. I just watched lots of TV series, traveled, and used my English in far countries. I have lots of friends from different parts of the world. Number three, what skill or ability do you want to improve in this language course? Grammar mainly, I think, is my biggest weakness. Number four, which production skills, writing or speaking, do you find the most difficult? Writing for me, because it's in my case, I get confused between some terms, the grammar and the proper use of them. Number five, which do you think are the advantage and disadvantage of learning English online? In my case, the disadvantage I have found in my online learning here is with some teacher of virtual encounter. Unfortunately, some of them don't have a good level of English and have found myself in the need to correct them when they are teaching wrong pronunciation to all. And is it a really frustrating since my learning was standing instead of evolving? However, I believe this is now a really drawback of online learning because you can find that in face-to-face classes as well. The advantages in my relate to virtual learning in our current situation it give a very superior offer without any video risks for anyone. What will you propose to make the English program better? To prepare really well the teacher of virtual encounter, to evaluate their pronunciation and their knowledge as well, and to take more individual tasks than collaborative tasks. That's all. Thanks for pay attention to me. God bless you and see you next another opportunity. Bye bye.